Okay, it's 9. Oh, 9:30 at night. I think I know why I had a hard time yesterday, because I lifted that 200-pound that 200-pound smoker, and I realized I'd never been able to do that before. I had to have my husband move it for me around the patio, and I was like, wow, I used to, move things around just fine. So anyways, I was like, well, that probably is why it took up a lot of my energy. Let's see. I have been busy today, so it's late, but I wanted to at least attempt. I only did 9 tonight, but that's okay. I might have been able to keep going, maybe done 1 or 2 more, but I'm tired. All right, I'm gonna do my wall push-ups. I didn't bother setting it up to make it easy for me to record this. I really didn't feel like doing this tonight. Didn't feel like recording or anything, so I figured, well, it's still day 14. I better try. All right. Try the wall. All right, let's try the wall. All right, I did my 25 wall push-ups. I kind of feel really sore in the shoulder neck area, so I'm not sure if it's because I'm still like feeling a little sore from lifting that 200 pounds yesterday. Moving my smoker, I'm not sure, but I definitely feel tight in the shoulders. Yeah, so anyways, at least I got day 14 in the books, on the books, however you say it. So hopefully tomorrow will be, well, tomorrow's another day. Sorry. So tomorrow's another day. We'll take it one day at a time. All right. Have a good night.